going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank y'all for helping me hit 100 subscribers. You guys are awesome. I'm doing a giveaway. I just don't know what I'm going to give away because I just don't know yet. But I am doing a giveaway. I'm just trying to figure out the details and how to go about doing it. But this video is not really about me. It is about a couple of products that a subscriber sent to me a while ago. I wanted to shed light on it because it needs to be known. He did a good job with these products. He needs to sell them. He might end up selling these products on Etsy or some other website. I'm not sure yet. But the products I wanted to put recognition on is the Pine Tar soap. And yes, I got it on this card because I used it earlier to wash my hair. And it's the Pine Tar soap. And as you can see, I've been using it quite a bit. And that's my only thing with like soaps like this, because they're so all natural. You go through them so quickly, but they do what they're supposed to do. They clean your body, your hair, your beard. They do all that. It's just, they don't last long. And that's just how natural soap is. I think that's how soap should be anyway, because you don't want nothing that's gonna last for like 3 years or nothing like that. But and he said, Sean, why you got this little bar of soap? Heck, I'm gonna get another Pine Tar soap and put this on top of that. You know how we do back in the day? Shoot, we don't waste stuff around here. I'm gonna use this until it's completely gone. Well, I'm not, but he did good with that Pine Tar soap. It has like kind of like a bay rum type scent to it. And I know Snake, you don't want me to shed light on it, or you didn't want me to do a review. I'm gonna do one anyway because people need to know about your product. And the person that sent me the product, his name on YouTube is There's a Snake in My Beard, AKA Marcus. And he might not really want me to shed light on it because I think he's really humble and he doesn't really want people to really know, not really know, but he just doesn't really want like the spotlight on him. Well, I'm gonna put it on him today because he deserves it. And that's what it's about. It's not about me on my channel. It's about us as a beard community. So I'm gonna shed light on his products because it needs to be known, because he did a good job with them. And the interesting fact about him and these products, this is not a business. This is something that he just does on the side as a hobby. And you'd be surprised on what you discover your hidden talents when you're doing a hobby. Like, he has the potential to really run a business right now with the stuff that he sent me. Like he sent me a beard oil and a Pine Tar soap. With that alone, he can start like a little side business just to, get a feel for running a business. And I think it's a good idea. And like I said, I'll support anybody who is trying to run a business or is trying to become an entrepreneur, because that tells me right there that they're doing something that they want to do and they enjoy doing it. So I support that 100%. So, and I also wanted to shed light on his beard oil. Now, the beard oil scent is like a vanilla spice. I'm gonna tell you right now, it smells awesome. Like, I've used this like as a deep conditioning along with the Co-Man Co-Wash to like really condition my beard. And he did good with this oil. The carrier oils, I had to write them. I need to write them out because he sent me a message on Instagram telling me the carrier oils. I want to say castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil. I'm going by memory. And the scent is vanilla spice. Smells awesome. I would recommend this to anybody. Like, he did real good with the oil. It's like a medium to kind of medium thick consistency with the oil. As you can tell by the tint, it's kind of like a clear yellowish tint. You can tell by the bottle, clear bottle, and all that stuff about, oh, you should put your oils in a dark colored bottle and all that. Like, I don't really worry about that because I keep all my stuff under the sink, so it's not really an issue. Now, there's times where I leave it out, but it is what it is. But I wanted to shed light on his stuff because It needs to be known. People need to know about his products. If you're interested in trying this stuff out, he is on Instagram. Just type in "there's a snake in my beard." It'll pop up. You see this bearded man with his beard down to really here, sunglasses, looking cool, because he's a cool dude. But anyway, wanted to do that because I have subscribers that send me stuff, and I want to get them recognized. Especially if I'm using this platform, I want them to be recognized for the talents that they have and for the stuff they send me, because like I said, he didn't have to send this stuff out to me. He sent it out because that's just the type of dude he is. Just the same thing with Uncle Donnie and his beard oil. He sent that out for me to try because he just sent it out. He didn't have to do it, but he did it. And like I said, I put recognition on subscribers' products any day, because you don't know if you have like a hidden talent or ability to like make a good beard oil. And that's exactly what Snake did. He did good with this beard oil. Dude, if I had like a ranking system, I'd give you 2 thumbs up. I mean, 5 stars. I mean, you did good with this oil, dude. Like, this is, and always remember to shake your oil. But this is awesome. Pine tar soap, you did good. And I know it looks like a turd on this freaking card, but you know, but you did good with it, and you can tell I've been using the heck out of it. And I just wanted to do this quick video because it needs to be known. There are some subscribers out here that have some talents, need to be recognized, and I have the platform to do that. So I'm gonna put recognition on your products. But with that, I'm gonna sum up this video. Hope y'all have a good rest of y'all day. Get through this work day and enjoy y'all day. It's Friday, and I'm out. Peace. Oh, and also like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below. See if you, hey, let me know if y'all got like beard oils and stuff that y'all make on your own. Maybe I'll try them out. You know, don't be afraid to comment down below. I like talking to y'all guys. So, hey, yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'm out. Peace. Just do it off of there. And I probably got it recording now. Set up your studio, Sean. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my God, you're doing too much. He's gone too far. Get right in the camera, Sean. Look at the afros all out of place. Probably wondering, why is that man got that afro? I'm growing my afro because I'm trying to look like my player from last year on NBA 2K17, or my bad, 18. So that's the reason why I grew my afro out. Looking crazy. Oh my God, your hair nappy. Yes, it is, because it's curly and coarse. So of course it's gonna be nappy. You need to cut it off. I ain't cutting off anything. I'm on a hair journey. Growing this until I can't grow it no more. Staying alive. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Hey, water boy. Water sucks. Gatorade's better. You're drinking the wrong stuff. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. No, it don't. It's actually good for you. Helps with all your organs. Helps with your skin, your hair. Water is good for you. Remember that. Remember that. Man, I gotta get like a studio. This is bull crap. This is bull. This is straight bull. Yeah, be on that bull. You be on that bull. You be on that bull stuff, Sean. You be on that